Hi, this is Mark with Vapor Blasting Thailand, our website thaiblast.com. This is a cylinder from a Yamaha FZR400. As you can see, it looks pretty good. What happened is the customer had this part Cerakote. Cerakote's a coating used on guns, but it's a very strong coating and it gives a nice finish. For whatever reason, the customer didn't like it, so what we're going to do is remove the Cerakote with some stronger media, possibly an aluminum oxide, and then after that we will vapor blast it to give it the vapor blast look, which will be almost like a factory look. You can see the customer actually prepped this piece here. It did a great job of prepping it, and this will actually save us time and the customer money. Okay, we're going to put it in the blasting machine, and we'll be back and show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, we're back from the vapor blast, and we have the FZR400 cylinder. We managed to get the Cerakote off using our wet blast. We thought we might have to dry blast it, but we didn't. Let me take a look at how shiny that is compared to the Cerakote. It really came out nice. I think the customer is going to be pleased. And these are the kind of results you can expect to get. A nice shiny finish. If you have a project, or it doesn't necessarily have to be a motorcycle project, it could be a car or industrial. It could be copper, bronze, or of course aluminum. Please let us know. The link to our website is in the description and contact information also. Thank you for watching.